At the office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we're proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with EECU, Table Mountain Rancheria, Fresno State, and KC24. Thank you for watching Positive Stories about Education.
The Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools has been awarded a $6 million grant to help boost its mental health program for students, and the funds will be used to place wellness centers throughout the county. In tonight's Education Matters, Juanita Stevenson reports on how the center are adding to a unique partnership born out of need.
Information do you know after reading the problem?
Schools are the place our children go to learn. Educators say they are told their job is to teach. But what about providing services like mental health care?
There was a cultural divide between health care and education. And so our ability to go into the schools as a healthcare provider was really limited by the willingness of an individual site administrator.
Jim Yavino, superintendent of Fresno County Schools, was willing.
Well, it just made sense. I mean, those kids are in our schools every day. And we knew that our kids were suffering either with emotional issues, social issues, suicide.
There is now a very unique partnership in place between two county agencies, all for the purpose of serving the mental health needs of children and their families. Dewan Utek, Director of Behavioral Health for the county, says it may be the most important partnership they have.
And I think that it has the potential to have the biggest impact on our community by, again, early addressing the needs of the youth in our community.
The program is all for youth, and it places a behavioral clinician on every school campus. 3 years into a 5-year rollout, the County Office of Education has placed 85 clinicians in 26 school districts, making sure to address the needs of students in rural areas.
We have kids that are 60 miles from downtown Fresno. If they needed that service, where would they get it?
The county partnership is providing that service. It's a program that covers young people ages 0 to 22 and often includes family involvement.
We believe that if we really put those efforts on the front end to both identify that we have a child who might have a need for some support services or therapy services, and we can intervene early, will give that child the skills to be resilient throughout life.
Utek says by introducing families to services early in a child's life, we can begin to normalize the conversation around mental health, making it easier for people to seek out help during what is a stressful time.
It's really important to us to have these types of partnerships, both to prepare for things like what's going to happen with this pandemic, and also just to, again, normalize that conversation, make sure that the people in our community have their needs met.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.